and the stereotypes that affect the perceptions about him or her. I wish Harsha all the very best, and I hope she does great. All the best, Harsha. The stage is yours. Over to TMOD Devesh.
Yeah. So Toastmaster Harshdeep Parhar, Banquet Hall, Toastmaster Harshdeep Parhar.
Okay. So, जिसकी आपको तलाश है वो आपको ढूंढ रहा है. The one you are looking for is looking for you. Shadi.com. So good evening, Toastmasters and dear guests. So my family is not so social people, so we attend very few social gathering, only a few like those we are very close to, and I really love gatherings for two reasons. First, who don't love dolling up, and second, food, obviously. But apart from the usual hi, hello, sat shri akal to the stranger, we are forced to do, there is something more irritating to it. Something more irritating to it. That when at someone else's wedding, the annoying aunties keep on asking, Beta, tum kab shadi kar rahi ho? Beta, when are you getting married? And spoiling all the fun of the wedding function. Like, okay, I get it that we Indians love wedding, dancing, eating, but is it really important for all the aunties to be on lookout like, who is going to be next? You? And really, nowadays, aunties are so obsessed. Once, what happened? I was attending I was attending my college friend's wedding, and I was wearing a lehenga, and I posted few photos in my Facebook, and I got a message from one auntie. She's my neighbor and also my teacher. That I'm looking very pretty, obviously, and my lehenga is very pretty. And she said that she wanted to see more photos of me in lehenga. And I thought that maybe she liked my lehenga so much. That's why she's asking for it. And without thinking, I sent her photos, 3-4 photos of mine in lehenga. Later on, I got to know she showed all my photos to my teachers. And one more thing, I got a rishta from a teacher. She was looking for a girl for his son, and that teacher was my maths teacher, the teacher I hated the most. And I was laughing like, what exactly happened? And even thinking of her being my mother-in-law, and I was so like, it's so crazy. It's like a nightmare of my maths teacher, which I hate the most, being my mother-in-law. And I said, ye nahi ho sakta, ye bilkul nahi ho sakta, like it's impossible, sorry. And after that, I thought that why, when the girl enters 24 or 25, there should be a word wedding, a wedding or marriage to be there in any conversation. So right now I'm 26-year-old, and I'm quite lucky that my parents don't force me or like pressure me on getting married or find someone. But my good and lovely distant relatives that loves to bring that topic. And not only me, my many friends are of same age group are facing the same problems of this pressure of getting married and finding someone, from especially the distant lovely relatives and family friends. And I really wanted to ask one question, like why at what age a girl is getting married is important. Like there is a time limit that only 23 to 27 is a right age to get married. If a girl plans to work on her career and marry later on, it's like, beta, you won't get a good catch. Like, acha auntie, thank you so much for your advice. And what happened recently, I got one more a rishta where from Canada, and in Punjabi, Canada. And we Punjabis are really a big fan of Canada, a very big fan. And what happened once, my distant relative called my dad and said that Harsha ki to shaadi ki umar ho gayi hai na? Like Harsha is of a marriageable age. So I have a boy I know and blah, blah, and blah. And so my dad was very calm and answered that like, hello, Harsha is planning for her master's right now, and she's not planning for, and we are not planning for the wedding right now. And I was really happy that my dad supports me in the decision of me getting masters, that I am focusing on I wanted to focus on my career doing masters, and he was okay with it and he was happy. But there was one person who was kind of upset, and my mom was like that, you're doing masters at the age of 26. This is the age of getting married, not taking a masters. If you wanted to, you could have done it earlier. And I was thinking like, is doing my masters at 26, is it like I'm too late? Is it bad thing? And I made her understand that right now I'm not thinking about marriage. I wanted to learn and wanted to build my career. She understand later on. And later at night, I was thinking about all the scenes, and I got to know, I was thinking that why everyone is talking about age, marriageable age. No one is talking about the connection, the compatibility, which is more important. I'm not saying that the arranged marriage is something bad. No, they are not. I have seen lots of arranged marriages which are like good and successful, but putting the pressure on a person to get married is not a right thing. I know the parents care a lot about their kids, they want them settled, but this is not the right way. Yes, I'm going to get married one day when I'm ready, when I meet someone that I connect, who I feel connected. But until then, the person who are going to say those annoying questions again and again are going to be disappointed, and I'm really okay with it. Thank you so much.